We have spent the last 6 days working hard. We've been unfolding the Word, identifying the path, looking for guidance, and seeking our daily bread. But if you keep running without stopping, even the brightest light will start to blur. God didn't just command us to work, He commanded us to rest. Welcome to Day 14 of Faith Foundations. Today, we hit the end of our second week. It's time to put down the maps, turn off the noise, and simply rest our listening ears in the quiet glow of His promises. Sabbath rest isn't about being lazy. It's an act of profound faith. When you choose to rest, you are telling the world and your own anxious mind that God is in control, even when you aren't working. Our theme is faith by hearing. Up until now, we've focused on the input, hearing new things. But true rest comes through meditation. Meditation is taking a truth you've already heard this week and letting it settle deep into your soul. Think of it like a hot bath. You don't just jump in and jump out, you soak in it. Today, we aren't chasing a new revelation. We are letting the light of the true light, Jesus, warm our hearts. We are resting in the absolute certainty that His promises are true, His path is secure, and His grace is entirely sufficient for us. Your Day 14 challenge is the soak. Do not look for a new verse today. Instead, look back over your notes or your thoughts from the last 6 days. Pick the one verse that brought you the most peace. Maybe it was John 1, verse 1, or Psalm 119, verse 105. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Repeat that single verse silently to yourself for just 3 minutes. Don't ask God for anything. Don't try to solve any problems. Just listen to His quiet presence and rest in the glow of what He has already said to you. Faith doesn't just grow when we move, it deepens when we rest. Thank you for finishing week 2 with me. Tomorrow is day 15, the exact halfway point of our journey, where we will stop to review our entire foundation before moving forward. I'm Matthew Padiachi, and this is Faith by Hearing. Rest well, keep your ears at peace, and I'll see you tomorrow.
We've been running hard, unfolding the Word, chasing the guide. But even the brightest light will blur if we don't stop inside. He commanded us to rest. Day 14, put down the map. Let's just soak. Searching for guidance, counting every single choice we make. But if you keep on running without ever stopping to see, the light starts to blur in the rush of the world's gravity. Sabbath rest is an act of profound and beautiful faith. It's saying God is in control while we step inside the gates. We are meditating in the glow of His promises tonight, turning off the noise, resting in the beauty of His light. No more running, no more chasing after something brand new, just letting the absolute certainty of His love warm you. The listening ear is quiet, the sinning ear is quiet, the soul is finding its peace in the presence of the Savior, where all the struggle cease. True rest comes when we choose to slow down and meditate, taking a truth we've already heard and letting it settle the weight. Think of it like a hot bath, you don't just jump in and jump out. You soak in the warmth till it washes away all the doubt. We aren't searching for a new revelation to fix up the day. We're resting in the grace that has already carried us all the way. His promises are true, His path is perfectly secure. His grace is sufficient, His healing is steady and pure. You don't have to work right now to prove what you're worth. Just listen to His quiet presence settle deep into your chest. Faith doesn't just grow when we move, it deepens when we rest. So here's the challenge for today, it's time for the soak. Look back over the last 6 days and the words that He spoke. Don't look for a new verse, just find the one that brought you peace. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the striving release. Repeat it silently for 3 minutes, don't ask Him for a thing. Just rest in the glow of the promises whispered by the King. Keep your ears at peace, rest well in the glow.